Name is Justin Gotti, out here on Santos Chowla's roof to conduct a repair test. You can see he's got some wind damaged shingles going on here. So we're going to be removing nails from 2 rows of shingles above the damaged area so that we can slide the damaged shingle out and attempt to put a new shingle in its place. Testing for durability of the roof to see if a repair is going to be possible on this one. It should stay like that for me. If I need to move it at all, I will. So we're just gonna like I said, we're gonna get up underneath these shingles here and remove the nails. And for each nail we remove, we're only going to be lifting the shingle up to the required height in order to get the nail out. No further than that. To test the durability of this shingle. This should be the first row. All right, so that's the first row there. Now we're gonna get up in the second row. Once again, only raising the shingles to the necessary height to be able to remove the nail underneath that's holding our damaged shingle in place. Should be all those. I'm gonna slide that out here. Sure enough. And real quick here, before nailing our new shingle in place, I just want to show you what's starting to occur. So you can see the heavy granule lossage that starts to go on with the shingles surrounding the damaged area. This is just from the nails being removed, and you can start to see the granule lossage occurring there. So that's going to only become more distinct when we put our new shingle in place, since we're going to have to lift those back up again and nail our new shingle down. But I just wanted you to get an idea of what that looks like before I actually complete the repair here. So to complete the repair, I'm going to slide our new shingle in place. And once again, we're only going to be lifting our shingles up to the required height in order to be able to nail our new one in place. Today I'm using a hammer. If you were using a nail gun, you'd have to have it at a similar angle like this, if you can imagine my hand being the nail gun, but today we'll be using the hammer. So we'll raise that once again only to the necessary height to be able to hammer it in place. Okay, moving on down. That's all of our nails for the first row. Moving on up to the second. Okay. Should be all the nails along the top. So that's both rows nailed in. Our damaged shingle has been removed. New shingle is now slid in and nailed in place. But as you can see, there's major granulossage on the shingles here. So this is our new shingle, obviously. And you can see the surrounding areas just aren't strong enough to hold up to a repair. So you're gonna run into that issue anywhere that you have wind damage on this roof. You're gonna run into an issue with trying to repair the shingles. So at this time, I'm gonna halt any further attempts to repair this roof, and I'm gonna get photos so that we can share this with insurance.